Hi, my name is Laura and I'm with Sonoran Blossom Tea Company, and today I want to show you how to make a chai moon milk. Chai moon milk is a deliciously sweet and savory beverage that you can use to replace your morning coffee or drink in the afternoon to get you a little pep in your step. It also has a lot of great health benefits, including decreasing inflammation, increasing heart health, helps prevent Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, and some cancers, and can reduce your stress and anxiety levels, which is really what we need during this social distancing. Drink this daily for a tasty way to take control of your health. To make your chai moon milk, you're going to need a few items from around your kitchen. You're going to need your measuring spoons. I've got a teaspoon, a half teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon, plus a 1 cup measuring cup. You'll need a mason jar for mixing, a glass for serving, filtered water to make sure that you get the cleanest taste possible, milk of your choice. I like to use the almond milk for a dairy-free moon milk. Coconut oil, I like to use the organic cold press. It tastes really good. Agave for sweetener. You don't have to use a sweetener, but I like to. And then your turmeric powder, Sonoran blossom, which is our ashwagandha root, and Sonoran blossom chai black tea. Now let's get into making this delicious moon milk. I'm going to start by heating up my water. I want to boil my water, so I'm going to add my filtered water to my tea kettle. I'm going to use 1 liter of water, which will make about 4 servings of tea. So I'm going to fill to right about there. Put it back on my hot plate and turn it on. Now let's measure out the tea. I used 1 liter of water, so I will need 4 teaspoons of tea. You need 1 teaspoon for every 8 ounces of water. So let me measure this out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to place my basket back into my water, and I'm going to let it steep for 5 minutes. You don't want to over steep your tea or else it will burn and it'll taste really bad. So while my tea is brewing, I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients to my mason jar. So I need 1 cup of almond milk, I need 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, a half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a 1/4 of teaspoon of my ashwagandha root. And then just for a little something extra, 1 teaspoon of agave right in there. Okay, and now it has been 5 minutes, so I'm going to use 1 cup of tea and add that in. And I'm going to give this a really good shake. I want that coconut oil to melt completely, and I want my ashwagandha root and my turmeric powder to dissolve completely. So I'm going to give this a really good shake. That's why I really like using these mason jars, because you can get a really nice completed product from this. So that looks pretty good, and now I'm going to pour it into my cup. And there we go, chai moon milk. Ooh, that tastes really good. Give this recipe a try. There's a lot of different ways that you can customize with different milks or different sweeteners. We also have a pumpkin chai on our website you can use for a little basic twist. And to make it a little easier for you, we are offering 15% off of our chai teas right now. Just use coupon code MOONMILK at checkout to receive your discounts. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy your chai moon milk. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that little button. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for more recipes, tea demonstrations, coupons, and health tips. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.